What's going on, everybody? We're back outside with my KAYO TT140. Today I'm going to install the hand guards that I bought on Amazon. I already put one on the left side of the handlebars so that I could get some practice before I showed you. They're just from Amazon, so I'll put the link in the description for you. And so yeah, we're going to get right installing the second one. So the parts I'm going to be using today are the parts that came with the kit. Then I have a 10mm wrench, and a 5 30-seconds and a 3/16 hex head and a screwdriver. And so we're gonna put that on real quick. Okay, to start off, we're gonna grab our plastic, and so this is what's gonna go inside the bike. So I'm gonna stick that in this hole. This is gonna slide on top. And then this little screw, so this is going to go inward like this. Okay, now that that's attached, we're going to get this screw on here. And this goes into our latch that goes on the handlebar. Hold it on. Just screw that on a little bit. The easiest way I found to do it. Okay, now we're gonna put it on. Okay, now we're gonna mount it on the bike. So we're gonna stick our insert inside the handlebar. I cut a little bit of the grip off the end of it so that I could get that in and it doesn't get stuck when I twist the throttle. And then I put some black bushings that were in the kit on the mount for the handlebar. So I'm gonna put those around there real quick. And then we'll put this bolt is gonna go fit in there so that it stays on. Okay, now I'm gonna use my 5/16 or my 3/16 hex bit and screw in this end of the guard, and then we're gonna grab, so that's all snug and tight in there. So now I'm gonna grab my 5 30-seconds hex bit with my 10mm wrench, and we're gonna tighten this down. You don't want to tighten everything all the way down yet until you have it adjusted to your levers, your brake lever. But mine's is okay. My brake lever's in the right spot, so I want to go ahead and tighten everything down. So that's tight now. So we're going to tighten up this one right here. And then you've installed your hand guard. Okay, there it is. We've got everything back on, ready to go. Bike's looking great. I'm going to sit on it so you can see. But yeah. Looks really good. The levers are in the right spot, and yeah, everything's looking super good. I'm excited to get on the trails pretty soon. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.